awesome. Just like to share the joy of plasma cutting. So I've got an old dishwasher here. Quite fancy this metal sheet, super thin. It's also stainless inside, which I might save some of. The front door, I reckon I'll make a lovely magnetic notice board. I'm going to cut up pieces of these and put magnets on the back. I'll stick down and I'll have like a movable whiteboard from Ellis. Winner. So I don't have there's no pilot arc on this plasma cutter, so you need to start off at a conductor point. So the paint tends not to take, although it's high frequency, so it will jump small distances through paint and stuff to get you started. I'm a fool. So that's what happens when you run the plasma torch with not enough pressure. So that was like set on like 30 psi. So now I upped it to 90 odd. Need another dishwasher to cut up now. Inlet solenoid. Can't find my screwdriver. What are you gonna do? There you go. No worries. Didn't need to find my screwdriver. Customizable list. With the boat one. Quite a good likeness, I think. Awesome. It's not auto-destructive. My new list board. Like it. Very good. Winner.